Hey there, I'm Yussi Weisz, and welcome to my home, where the hustle and bustle of shopping, cooking, and cleaning all week is our way of preparing the Kovet Shabbos Kodesh. So, when that special moment arrives, we sit back, take a deep breath, and say out loud, Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Get Shabbos, get Shabbos, get Shabbos, get Shabbos, get Shabbos. Oy vey, oy vey, oy. Okay, enough. Shabbos, chicken soup, I don't know, just goes together. It feels so Shabbos-dick. When they say it's mom's best medicine, there's a reason for it. Yum. The whole house smells delicious. It's just something about chicken soup. It's like kräftig. It's like, what is it? I'm gonna taste some. Now, I usually don't cook on Shabbos, and I usually don't wear strammel together with cooking. So this is just for show only, okay, everybody? Now, I like to make my chicken soup yummy, tons of vegetables, a lot of chicken, and I also like when it's clear. So I do have some mesh bags, I'll show you soon. And look at the color, the golden color, yum. When I grew up, my mother would let the chicken cook in the chicken soup for like an hour and a half to 2 hours, then she would take it out and serve it to us for Thursday night supper. That's what it was. This cooked for around 6 hours at a very low flame. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's do this. Fine Nevada with chicken soup, Shabbos-dik. Machaya. You just finished making a l'chaim, yo. Got a bissl das noch. And schau. Nice and clean, beautiful. I don't like a schmitzige chicken soup. Hold on a second. Oh my gosh. Chicken soup for the soul, right here. Little dill. Shine. What's chicken soup without reita? Yeah. Those like to put in a little of these Agripas, little chickpeas. Yum. This is just, it's hot. No slurping. No slurping. If it's too hot, wait. Okay, wow. Oh, it's just delicious. Ooh, ich bunte schwitzen schon. Ooh. Wow, I'm starting to sweat. This is so good. Wow. Let me show you how I made this chicken soup. Anybody can prepare this. This is simple, it's easy, and just plain yummy, and I have a feeling this will become your go-to chicken soup. Let me show you how I did it. That yummy chicken soup right here, simple, easy, you don't need much. A peeler, you get your vegetables, a knife. I'm gonna start with my onion. I peeled an onion, I'm gonna cut it in half. Like I said before, I like my chicken soup clean. So I take my onion and I put it into a mesh bag. Otherwise, all the pieces will just mush around. Here goes my garlic. That's the first thing I do. Into my pot. Now remember, when it comes to chicken soup, you want beautiful chicken. I'm gonna take off any of the corners or the fats or the skin. I want that in my chicken soup. Just peel your carrots. I have the rest of them over there. It's all peeled already. Let's be nice. That's gonna go in. All my carrots are going in. Basically what I'm doing is just layering it with a bunch of vegetables. Here's some call it white carrot, parsnip. I think maybe in Yiddish, heißt es Petrishka? Or maybe Petrishka is parsley root. Maybe that's Petrishka, I don't know. Gives a yummy flavor. So we're gonna do 2 of these. Celery. Cleaned, washed. Just gonna cut it in half. Go right in. Celery root, celery knob. Just gonna cut it in half. All these vegetables will give so much flavor to your soup. I put in a red pepper. Why? I don't know. I don't think my mother does. I don't think my grandmother did, but that's the way I make it in my restaurant. If you come visit my restaurant in Lakewood, Agripas, you'll probably have the best chicken soup you ever had. Squash. I just peel it a little bit, not too much. It's all washed, cleaned, cut it in half. 2 tomatoes. That's the way I do it in my restaurant. I didn't see it anywhere else. It gives such a good taste to your soup. This is kohlrabi. Kohlrabi also gives a great flavor to your soup. These days, sometimes on the kosher supermarkets locally, you can find all these vegetables peeled already, so you don't even have to do anything. Just take all those vegetables, just dump it into your pot. But don't be stingy on your vegetables. Don't worry about it. The more vegetables, the better. Just gonna cut that in half. Okay. You want a really good chicken soup? Typically. Chicken gizzards. My daughter Mindy. No. I put it in. It cooks for so many hours that it gets nice and soft. It's delicious. Watch this. Press everything down. In with my chicken legs right on top. This way I can take it out later whole, doesn't fall apart in my soup. And that's how my soup stays nice and clean. Right here. Kovet Shabbos Kodesh, Kovet Shabbos Kodesh, Kovet Shabbos Kodesh, Kovet Shabbos. Okay. I'm a chai. Now that's a pot of chicken soup. Still have to add some salt. I didn't add salt. In a few minutes. Whoa, that's a full pot. You want to bring this to a boil and then on a low flame, let it simmer on a very low flame. I let my soup simmer 6 hours. Perfection. Let's see what happens in a few minutes. Don't fit. Don't worry about it. Soon everything is gonna fit. I like to get as much as possible into my pot, so I have a nice bowl of chicken soup. How's our country Yussi go chicken soup? Anybody know? Oh, chalin, not that one. Okay, that's it. Oh! I forgot, but I have no room right now. I want to put in my parsley and my dill, so I put that into a bag as well. Should have done it before. I'm gonna do it now. I'm gonna take the whole thing. Fresh dill, fresh parsley, cleaned, washed. Also a yum flavor to your soup. Just gonna go move this. I like to put it in on the bottom. Beauty. Looking forward to serve you in my new restaurant in Lakewood, Agripas.